And so here's a good example of why the power supply flip is helpful. If you're not paying attention and you put this thing on and the magnet engages a little too far to the right, there you are, right up against the power supply. So, see that bolt there? There is a small recess for the head. You take this extrusion and just flip it 180 degrees around. These will then be up higher and on this side. Here's an example. You can see there's no power supply in sight. In fact, it's pushed over and up. There's the bolts. There's the little recesses for the heads. See if you can see below. See the power cable? This goes at a little bit more of an angle, but it clears just fine. And it stays out of the way. Here's one where the mat went on fine. And you can see it'll clear, but if you get it off just a tad, that things are still pretty close. So when I do maintenance on all these, I'll flip those around. There's another one. You can see it's close, but it's fine. You just have to pay more attention to it. But if you're not, like this one, then you're right up there on it. So, this is just a little short one to show you Ender 3 Pro power supply flip. Has no problems. Fast build plate. There you go. Original and flipped. Take it easy, everyone.